guys, welcome back to Mountain Swell Van Build Series, episode 7. Starting to build our desk system. Plan is here, I want it to be like a editing space for my photography. Camera storage down the end there, avalanche safety equipment storage here. Gonna integrate some slide-in drawers. The inside of the van wall here, not quite straight, it curves. Gonna build a simple structure and then we're just gonna take it on from there. So keep on watching and see what we come out with. Whoosh. Yeah, look at that.
Window frame.
Ohayou gozaimasu, minasan. Day 2 of trying to build the desk photo studio area. Alright, so my friend actually went back home today, so I'm gonna just crack on with this one myself. So we'll see how the video goes in the build. It's hard to try and video and build at the same time. I might leave the camera on tripod for some shots, but I think I'll just kind of do a little video as I progress throughout the day, and then catch you in a bit. It's getting a bit messy. I'm just gonna have a bit of a tidy up and start to see how it's all coming together. Get the bed, see if it attaches onto the shelf system here. Get the mattress out, have a look at that. Alright, morning guys. Day 3 of trying to build these cabinets. It's getting pretty cold here in Kyushu, so hopefully I can finish the build in the next few days, because heading up north to Nagano and to Yamagata, the snowboard trip. Right, something that's just caught my eye that I'm not quite happy with. I'm going to try and make this flush. See, it sticks out here, but this drawer here is nice and flush. Yeah, I'll get onto that. Ohayou gozaimasu. I don't even know what day it is anymore of this cabinet build, but it's getting pretty cold now here in Kyushu. So building's been a little bit slower than what I liked it to be, but slowly getting there. Hopefully another day or two before I get the cabinet, so I'll show you a little bit of the progress so far. Alright guys, cabinet's nearly done, so you can see. Done the top drawer, that's beech driftwood for the handle. Working on the pull-out table at the moment. Done a couple of other storage areas there. Carved a little wave just as a bit of a extra feature. Ohayou gozaimasu, minasan. Morning, everybody. Cabinet finished today. pull-out table. It holds about 60 kilograms on the rail system here. Automatic lock on it. Alright guys, I'm going to finish the episode at this. Cabinet's done. Smash the like button, hit subscribe, comment below. Stay tuned for next episode because I had a special package delivered, so all will be revealed.